Once upon a time, in a lively village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an unassuming man named Ravi. Each day, he found himself swept away in a whirlwind of responsibilities, rushing to complete chores, meet work deadlines, and care for his family. Amid this relentless pace, he often felt a sense of overwhelm, as if the vibrant pulse of life was slipping through his fingers. One fateful evening, while making his way home, Ravi stumbled upon a hidden gem. A tranquil garden, alive with the soft rustling of leaves and the sweet melodies of chirping birds. At the heart of this oasis stood an ancient tree, its gnarled branches swaying gracefully in the gentle breeze. Drawn by the serenity of the place, Ravi approached and was captivated by the sight of a wise old monk seated calmly beneath the tree, enveloped in a peaceful aura. Curiosity ignited within him. Ravi ventured closer and asked, "O wise one, how can I discover tranquility in the midst of my chaotic life?" The monk regarded him with a warm smile and responded, "To embody the essence of the Buddha in your daily existence, you must first cultivate the art of presence. Embrace each moment, no matter how trivial or ordinary it may seem." Inspired by this profound insight, Ravi resolved to embrace this wisdom. The following morning, instead of hastily consuming his breakfast, he took the time to relish each morsel of warm bread. He savored the texture of the crust and the comforting taste that awakened his senses, allowing gratitude to fill his heart. On his commute to work, he began to observe the world with new eyes. He marveled at the vibrant hues of blooming flowers, the laughter of children playing in the streets, and the rhythmic dance of life unfolding around him. With each passing day, as Ravi dedicated himself to this practice, he began to experience a remarkable transformation. Simple tasks, once viewed as mundane, blossomed into opportunities for joy. Washing dishes turned into a playful dance of bubbles, and sweeping the floor became a gentle form of meditation that calmed his mind. The frustrations that once clouded his spirit slowly dissipated, replaced by a profound sense of appreciation for the present moment. One sunny afternoon, as fate would have it, Ravi encountered a neighbor who had fallen and was in need of assistance. With a heart full of compassion, he rushed to her side and lifted her gently. In that moment, he realized that being present allowed him to forge deep connections with others, fostering kindness and understanding in ways he had never imagined. Years rolled by, and on a glorious day, the villagers gathered to celebrate Ravi's birthday. They shared stories of his extraordinary transformation, marveling at how his calm demeanor had inspired and uplifted the entire community. No longer just an ordinary man, Ravi had become a beacon of wisdom, affectionately known as the village Buddha. As he stood amidst the laughter and joy of his friends, Ravi understood that the secret to enlightenment did not lie in distant temples or grand rituals, but rather in the simple, profound act of being fully alive in each precious moment of everyday life. And so, the teachings of the ancient monk continued to flourish in the heart of the village, reminding everyone that true peace and fulfillment are found in the beauty of the ordinary.